Hi. I made a big mistake. Problem is, I put this tank down and I thought it was correctly positioned, but then I made a service point here where I was going to connect the old pipes to the tank. And when I did this, I could see that the tank here, septic tank, is actually higher up. So this here is higher up than that old pipe there, and it doesn't flow backwards. So I have to take all of this away, the sand gravel here, and I have to lift it up. And you could see in a video some time ago that I had big problems getting this down here with my small excavator, so there's no way I can lift it up. And because of that, I rented a bigger excavator from a friend of mine. So let's get busy working here. Step 1, I will remove all the water that I filled up in here. It's a strong machine, but I wouldn't want to lift it with water in here because it can damage the tank. And when you put this material on, you have to fill it with water so it don't collapse. So now it's time to remove this little sand here. So I got all the water out of this, and I want to keep the big bucket on because as soon as I get this out, I think that I will need to start digging here. So I've used the shovel to dig around this, around to the middle of it. So I think that if I just get it over there a bit, then I can just lift it up, but we'll see what happens. Didn't work. I think I have to dig some more around. So I have some digging to do here. This is not groundwater. This is actually from the old septic tank. There's a hole in it, so it's leaking. So when I'm done here and has connected the new tank, it will not be this much water in the ground, but it had a real hard grip on this tank, so I think it was because this material, it really packs well and it was very moist. Well, as you can see, I took out all of the water and old material and dug down a bit into the ground, and I put some new of this sandy material down there. So I'm gonna put down the tank in there and see how it fits.